Today's teams are flooded with customer data, signals scattered across tickets, feedback, and conversations. Turning noise into clarity and clarity into action is how great products are built. Welcome to Dovetail's Customer Intelligence Platform. One place that knows your customer and your business. It knows your goals and how to get there. A single, powerful platform that transforms data and insights into intelligent action. It's a place where you can get continuous, real-time intelligence on what your customers are saying, where issues are flagged, priorities are clear, and fixes are in motion within a few clicks. It's a place where you can visualize what matters, ask a question, and get more than an answer. In seconds, insight becomes a strategic plan of action. It's a place where intelligent agents work for you, finding trends, summarizing opportunities, creating reports, and sending them wherever they need to be. And across the organization, it's a place where every team connects customer truth to impact. From strategy to execution, everyone is making decisions powered by one shared, real-time understanding of the customer. From insights to intelligent action. Dovetail doesn't just tell you what customers want, it sees ahead, clears the way, and gets you there faster. Dovetail, the customer intelligence platform.